And let's see what else. Okay. And then also another thing is Craigslist, is utilizing Craigslist. Okay. And nobody really thinks about this, honestly, but I have had several students in Storage Nerds find properties to buy from Craigslist. Okay. So Craigslist would be a great place for you to list your property for sale, and also to, especially if you want to do for sale by owner, and then also to look for property. So then you'll have to, but that's like, it's a lot of work too. Actually, now that we're thinking about it, I should get my VAs to be doing this, right? That's a good idea, VA. Okay. So I'll let Chris know to have our VAs look on Craigslist around the country and just see if there's any storage facilities for sale, right? Which everybody else can do as well too, right? So Craigslist is a good place to find storage facilities. Okay, good. I see a whole bunch of questions here too. Before, let me see, let me pull everybody's questions up and we'll answer those as we go along. And if you guys can think of any other ways that you look, right, for facilities, let us know in the chat so that we can all, share our ideas and stuff. Crexy, Lupna, MLS, Craigslist. Okay, good. Okay, so let me see. We have Sadie saying, what about using a company like BizQuest? Sorry, it's like breaking it up. bizquest.com, which I've never heard of. So maybe this is a good site. I have no idea. bizquest.com. Has anybody used this? So actually, that brings up a very good point, is there are websites out there that are like businesses for sale websites now. And let's see, businesses for sale. So you can go on to you can go online and then search like, businesses for sale, or like, and then go to these types of what, maybe this is what BizQuest is, I'm not sure. And then every once in a while, you'll find some random storage facility that's like for sale by owner, right? It's just for sale by owner, and it's listed on some, biz for you, .com or something like this, because the owner has no idea where to list it out or anything. Okay, so that's good. Yes, okay, good. bizquest.com. Check this out. Perfect. Okay. And here, I'll open it up and let me see. I'll open it up and see if I can. I'm not sure if that opened it up or not. I can't share my screen right now because I'm sharing my whiteboard, but at the end, maybe we could take a look at it. Okay. And let's see. Okay, so Larry is asking, how do you search for a hidden market? That's exactly what I just went over. The hidden storage facilities are the storage facilities that are not on Google Maps, but they are there, right? So if you're new and you haven't been on any of my sessions before, essentially the way that you find tenants, one of the ways that you find tenants for your storage facility is by getting on Google Business Listing, right? Or Google My Business, or whatever it's called. I don't know what it's called. They change names all the time. And so now when I just went onto Google Maps and we pulled up like Granite, whatever it was called, Granite Storage or whatever, that person took the time to go and get their business onto Google Maps. Getting your business onto Google Maps is not easy. It's difficult, right? It's very time consuming. Sometimes it could take months. They have to mail you a postcard. It's like this, they have a code. You have to fill your profile out. And somebody that doesn't really know what they're doing, which there's a lot of people that own storage that don't know what they're doing, then it would be like horrible. So, just like me trying to like start my fund, I was like, I'm going to start a fund, and then I just like took 4 months and I never did anything except for just trying to figure it out. Right. The same exact thing for a storage facility owner that doesn't get into Storage Nerds, doesn't have anybody to help them, to guide them through the process and show them what to do. Hint, hint. And so what they do is they, try to get on Google business listings, but like it just takes them forever to do because they can't figure it out and stuff like that. Okay. So those people still have storage facilities, they still have businesses, they're still getting tenants maybe by the sign that they put in their yard or in their whatever yard, their lawn. But like the real way to find storage, I mean to find tenants, is to be on Google Maps, because essentially Google Maps is the fastest growing search engine in the country.